Good Tuesday evening, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest forecast. We are in a stormy pattern. We had those tornadoes come through yesterday just north of us, and then tonight we're going to see more storms north of us, and then we're going to see an area of storms working their way in for tomorrow morning across the Indianapolis metro, bringing with it some heavy rain, some strong winds, and we may see a couple rounds of storms tomorrow morning. We'll catch a break before more storms on Thursday. And then as we go into the end of the week, a little bit quieter weather by Friday. So Friday is looking like one of the better days of this forecast. And then this weekend, we have another chance for some storms. So here's that 7-day forecast. We have an 80% chance of storms for tomorrow coming in, especially for the morning, and a couple rounds of storms coming through around sunrise tomorrow. And we'll see another round perhaps in the late part of the morning. So a really active Wednesday morning expected, but then the afternoon should see less chances of rain. We'll see several dry hours in the afternoon, and then more storms develop Wednesday night. And into Thursday, you can see this next round coming in overnight Wednesday, and Thursday looks like a very wet day, especially the first half of the day. I do think later in the day, Thursday, we can start to dry things out. And if the rain holds longer, we may have to pull that temperature down a little bit more on Thursday. We may actually stay in the lower 70s if the rain is more prevalent. But you can see by Friday, we look pretty dry, highs in the upper 70s. Saturday, our next front will come in, bringing a chance for storms later in the day. Again, I think this is mainly late in the afternoon on Saturday going into early Sunday. And then if we look at the temperature trends, behind that cold front this weekend, we have a nice cool down coming. Temperatures early next week, 70s for highs. Look at those lows getting pretty far down into the 50s. So pretty pleasant temperatures coming our way. Temperatures will average just a little bit above normal for the next 7 days. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great evening.